Right now, a lot of you are gripping your tongue because I can see it on your face. Because your tongue doesn't move much on its own. The tongue has 6 other muscles that move it around. Pulls it. It's actually connected to your shoulder blade. The tongue has a muscle that connects, I forget the name of it, but it's a thin muscle that goes all the way to the top of the shoulder blade. And it has muscles that pull the tongue up, pull it down, pull it to the sides. And those muscles connect to other muscles and so on. So when your tongue is gripping, your face is tense. And typically that's because there's a movie in your mind. You're thinking of something else. And it's not necessarily conscious. I don't blame you. I do the same thing. I'm thinking of something else while I'm talking to you, you know? So that's human, right? One other way to access parasympathetic is let go of your tongue. The fingers, the toes, the tongue, and the diaphragm are the quickest access points to drop the residue tension of what you're thinking about. So while you do asana practice, yoga practice, then you'll really start to repattern your posture. You'll be going at your idea about yourself from a very calm state. And you'll be tuning your body to a geometry from a very calm state. And so it'll be more apt to change.